Good morning, all the students. How are you? I hope you all are best and fine. Now we are going to discuss about our today's topic. In this today's topic, about question answers, whatever in our heat and measurement. Yes, in this one. Yeah, we are going to discuss about the question answers in our heat and measurement. Already we are discussed about the total lesson and whatever the our topics are there in this, especially yeah. Now we are going towards our question and answers. There is in this particular FA, coming FA, there is this syllabus is also there. Heat and measurement also it is there. Coming syllabus part of our examination of FA1, FA2. It is started after first week of December. Tomorrow also, day after tomorrow, on Sunday also you have weekend examination. In this weekend examination, we have our motion and time lesson as a syllabus. Please be concentrate on it. Already I am sending, there is syllabus sheet for you already for this weekend. Yeah, going towards our question and answers in that one. There is all the, you know very well what is the heat energy. Yesterday I given, this is only the homework for you. Once check your definitions are correct or not. What is the heat energy? Yes, what is the heat energy? Heat is one of the form of energy which is transport from hot body to the cold body. Hot body to the cold body. Clear or not, all the students? There is a heat is energy form which is a transfer from hot body to the cold body. Then next come to here, there is one more thing, temperature. The another keyword is what? Temperature. Which one is called temperature? Yes, it is the property of the heat which gives the information about the hotness or coldness of the body, or degree of hotness or degree of coldness of the body. That is only called as, actually what it is, only called as is here temperature. Yes, and the next come to here, thermometer. Thermometer is one of the instrument which is measure the temperature variation. Yes, there is three types of thermometers. Mainly we are considered digital thermometer, laboratory thermometer, clinical thermometer, and extra to that, that is called 6S thermometer. That is only atmospheric maxima and minima thermometer. Like that, four types of thermometers are there. You have to write about like that thermometer. Yes, may. The question may ask like this. Explain about the thermometer. Not individually they are given. Okay, clear or not all of you? Yes, they are not mentioned which thermometer. At that time, the common properties of thermometer you have to go right. Yes, there is a what is the common properties are there in a thermometer? Yeah, common property, first common property, it is measures the temperature. It is measure the temperature. Clear or not all the students? It is measure the temperature. Just a minute. Yeah, now it is okay. I hope it is okay now. You check your networks. May somewhat a problem is there. There is a may board is appear or not for you. I hope there is a board is appear for you. Yes. Please respond to the students. Yeah. Listen carefully. Here there is about a temperature thermometer. When there is a thermometer is there, okay, now the thermometer is contains somewhat common properties. What the common properties are there? Yes, what is the common properties are there? There is a main common properties is a thermometric substances, and as well as it is working based on the expansion of the liquid principle only. Liquid expansion when we provide the heat. Based on this principle only, our thermometer is works. Okay, yes, and main properties of thermometers you have to write. Yes, clear or not all students? And based on that rising of thermometric substances, it will be divided between a boiling point and the melting point basis. Okay, got it or not all students? That is only right in our examination point of view by thermometer. And then come to here, yes, Fahrenheit scale. Which one is called Fahrenheit scale? Okay, the Fahrenheit scale, human body temperature. Got it or not? And here that mainly we consider that particular concept. Yes, and the next one is Celsius scale. Already I am given how to convert Fahrenheit scale. Okay, that is important, and as well as how we divide scales, that is also very important. What is the things we are taking here? What we are taking Fahrenheit scale we are taking here, and as well as the Celsius. In our textbook, there is not given what is that? There is the Fahrenheit and as well as Celsius changes are not given. Yes, but we have that definition. We have it here. The Fahrenheit degrees is equal to. Already I have taken the formula for it. The Fahrenheit degrees is equal to written as there is it is you have to write here 3 degrees by 9 by 5 into. Yes, 9 by 5 we have taken plus 32. This is indicate the what? Fahrenheit degrees. About the Fahrenheit degrees. Okay, and as well as there is a what here. Once you check it here, Celsius we are taken here. Yes, how we taken a Celsius degree is a converted from the Fahrenheit degrees. For this purpose, we take our formula. What is that? Minus 32 into 5 by 9. This is only the formula we are taken for Celsius purpose. This is for Fahrenheit purpose we are taken. Got it or not? This is only about the degrees, how to convert the Fahrenheit and Celsius. Whatever the scale of temperature you have to take compulsory, it is based on the expansion of the liquid we are taken. Otherwise, the melting point or boiling point we have taken. What is the melting point? You know very well. What is the boiling point? You know very well. Which one is called the melting point? When one substance is changes from solid state to when one substance is changes from solid state to liquid state, whatever the temperature is there at that particular change, that is called what actually? That is called melting point. Got it or not? And when you take here our boiling point means what? When one substance is changes from it is changes from where? It is changes from liquid to the gas. Liquid to the gas, it is called what actually? It is called as what? It is called as boiling point. The temperature which is produced at that time, it is called as boiling point. When it is changes from liquid to the gas. Got it or not? Yeah. And now we are going to next concept here. Yes, based on the boiling and the melting point, how we divided the scale. Already we are discussing. We divided that is into equal numbers between the boiling point to the melting point. Every number, every equal division, depending on the divisions of the total scale. Yes, every equal division is a container one particular value. Okay, clear or not all of you? Based on that particular value only, we are taken the scales of temperature. Suppose already we are discussing 0 degrees to 100 degrees centigrade. It is for water. This is the boiling point of water. This is the boiling point of water. This is the melting point of water. 0 degrees is the boiling point of water. And in case we take 100 degrees are possible. Okay, now totally this line is dividing into 100 divisions are possible. Each division is indicate the 1 degree centigrade, 1 degree Celsius. In case you take it in the Fahrenheit also, each division it is indicate the 1 taken Fahrenheit and a degree centigrade. Clear or not all the students? There is we taken a foot for the length measurement. Different units we are taken foot. Okay, centimeter, meter, kilometer, like that only. Otherwise, yes, and this is only about the production only. This is only about over here. One more thing is also there. Clinical thermometer and expansion. You already know very well. Clear all the students? Yes? All the students, my side there is no problem. Okay, now make it. Here there is no problem. If it is a problem, yes, myself I got it. If you have any problem at the time of streaming, after completion of our class, once you check, okay, now after completion, because of weather condition, now the bad weather condition is there, because of that the new area may get somewhat network problem. If my side there is any network problem, I will give that information. My side there is no problem. From here. Okay, the boys also not have any problem here. Now come to here. Yeah, there is now one second here. Improve your learning. The concept of improve your learning. Yes, in this improve of your learning, okay, now whatever our concepts we are consider, the first one, the question answer, question number 1 and its answer. చెప్పినా సార్ క్లాస్లో ఉన్నాడు చెప్పు ఫోన్ చేసి చెప్పు సార్ సార్ క్లాస్లో ఉన్నాడు క్లాస్లో ఉన్నాడు చెప్పు సార్ క్లాస్లో ఉన్నాడు సార్. Here, there is a what? The body temperature of Srinath is a 99 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, the body temperature of Srinath is 99 degree Fahrenheit. Is suffering from fever? If so, why? Okay, already we are discussed here. What is we are discussed here? There is when you take here the body temperature of Srinath is a 99 okay na degree Fahrenheit. If he is burning from fever, if so, why? Okay, clear? Yes, why? Because we call it is a fever. Yes, the body temperature of a particular human body is a 99 degree Fahrenheit. Means what? Actually general temperature is a what? Actually regular temperature, otherwise the normal temperature is for human bodies it is 98.4 degree Fahrenheit only. 98.4 degree Fahrenheit only. Got it or not, all the students? Now when it is greater than 99 is greater than this, that's why we call it is fever. Okay, what you have to write? The human body normal temperature is 98.4 degree Fahrenheit only. Yes, but our whatever the Srinath temperature is how much? 99 degree centigrade. What yesterday, before yesterday we are discussed about this. There is a what? When it is a greater than the human body temperature, it called fever. Otherwise it is equal to this, it is a normal temperature. It may less than that, it is a causes low fever, and it is also called not a normal, it is abnormal temperatures only. Yes, now there is a come to here the next concept. Here what we are taken here, next concept, that is the second one. Okay, question number 2 we are taken. Yes, what is the question number 2 here? Why do we use the mercury in the thermometer? Can water be used instead of mercury? What are the problems in using it? Okay, clear or not, all the students? Why we are used the mercury? Okay, na? Yes, mercury, whatever the property of mercuries are useful for us. There is a water is a contain a transparent nature. Water contain transparent nature. That's why only we are not use water. One more thing, water is not uniformly rising the temperature. Yes, uniformly not rising the temperature for uniform heat. That is also. Okay, clear or not, all the students? And water contains somewhat impurities. In case you take in a pure water, may get somewhat correct properties of expansion. Got it or not? And as well as the required high temperature for expansion of water. Okay, clear or not all of you? That's why only we are not used the water. Main thing is, yes, there is a non-uniform expansion. The water is not uniformly expanded, and as well as the second one is water is not opaque. Okay, got it or not? Yes, it is working as a somewhat transparent or transient. Sometimes in case impurities are there, it is a transient. In case you take a pure water, it works as a transparent nature. Yes, for the light. These all are main role played here. And now come to here, third answer, question number third, answer of question number third. And next to come to here, one more thing, temperature of Srinagar is a minus 4 degrees centigrade. In the temperature of the Srinagar is a what? Minus 4 degrees centigrade. And Paderu in AP, that is taken as 3 degrees centigrade. Already we are discussed this type of problems. Yes, and here 3 degrees centigrade. Here there is a what we are taken, which of them has a greater temperature here. Yes, and what is the difference between the temperature of these two places? Okay, at this particular situations, you have to take a scale like this. It is a 0 degree centigrade, it is a minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 here. It is a minus 4 here, there is taken as a minus 4 here. Minus 4, minus 3, minus 2. And as well as there is a whatever the Paderu, it is a contain, it is a Jammu Kashmir, it is a contain as a Paderu. There is a what it will plus 3 degrees centigrade here. Yes, there is a which one is the greater temperature is there? Yes, that plus 3 is a greater temperature. Yes, got it or not? It is a greater temperature at a plus 3. Minus 4, it is a what? It is a, yes, it is a which temperature? It is the lowest temperature. Okay, got it or not? It is the lowest temperature. That's why only. Yes, that's why only here it will be taken as what actually? Yes, Paderu is the greatest temperature, and the temperature difference between these two things are 7 degrees. Okay, now 7 degrees. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 degrees here. Okay, got it or not? There is a difference between these two temperatures are what? 7 degree centigrade. Minus 4 to plus 3, it is a 7 degree temperature is there. Got it or not? Yeah. Now we are going to next concept. These are the third answer. Here we take a fourth answer. I hope all the students you understood. Yes, what is that? There is about the temperature difference, what is the minus degrees? Yesterday we are discussed it. And fourth one, during the winter morning, why do people stand in the sun? Explain. You know very well, during the winter, yes, there is a cold environment or atmosphere is available. Why? Because at that time sun may are going, actually sun is revolving around the what actually? Sorry, our earth is revolving around the sun. Clear or not all the students? In a which orbit? In an elliptical orbit, not a circular orbit. It will be revolving around the elliptical orbit. Revolving based on elliptical orbit around the sun. When there is a year, yes, when in this particular place, sun is, our earth is nearer to the sun. When it is in this particular place, there is a what it will be? Yes, it will be winter. It will be go away from the sun. Which portion? Which portion towards the sun? Yes, in this duration. Okay, now at that time, this part is become what? This part is become winter. This part is become what? This in this particular situation, this part is become winter. In your social studies you get how there is a earth is rotated and as well as the revolving. In our coming lessons also there. Yes, of hemisphere of earth is somewhat taken as a winter, or hemisphere of earth are taken here, it is taken as a summer. Yes, when we go away from the sun, there is a temperature is a varied. Clear or not all of you? When we go away from the hard body, what will we get? There is a, it may become cold. When we nearer to the hard body, at that time what will we get? More heat may be absorbed by our body. Got it or not? This is only about the information of what it is. This is only the information of our whatever the winter and whatever the sunny sessions are there. Winter sessions are not have that much of hotness in an environment. Because of that, there is all the persons or all the people are wanted to go in the sun only. Whatever the slight temperature, if you are at home, it may not enter that temperature to our home and our body also. Okay, why? Because our floors of our houses are may work as obstacle for that little bit amount of heat. Already atmosphere, it is in a cold condition. When we are in a house, okay, now that small temperature, whatever produced by the sun, that is also may not reach to our body. That's why only we are going towards directly, we are want to stay in the, yes, which one? We want to stay in our, whatever our sun temperature, normal temperatures. Got it or not? Yes, that is only we are taken here. And next come to here, one more component. What is that? What is that fifth one? Fifth answer. That is the fifth answer we are taken here. What is the fifth answer we are taken here? After walking some distance on a hot summer days, why do we prefer to going into shade? Okay, clear or not all of you? You know very well. Opposite to this winter. Whatever the fourth answer is there, opposite to the fourth answer. Okay, now what is the fourth answer we are taken here? Tell me. Yeah, when it is a winter, our sun is farther from our earth actually. Yes, at that time there is a less temperature may get for us. Got it or not? Yes, and here there is a whatever the summer session is a came, at that time it is somewhat nearer compared with the winter condition, and automatically more temperature may possible to get in a summer session. Yes, when we walk in that in the sun at summer session, automatically our body is influenced by the heat of sun, and for the protecting from the effect of heat of sun, we are go away from the sun in the sun shade to the another shadow shade of any sun or anything. Okay, clear or not all of you? Yes, and this is only the thing, only simple thing. When we are near to the fire, at that time there is a more temperature is a get for us, and when we are away from the fire, at that time there will be get the low temperature. When at the low temperature, our body is a contain how much temperature? Compulsory, our body should compulsory maintain the what? 98.4 degree temperature, normal temperature. 98.4 degree Fahrenheit temperature compulsory. Yes, got it or not? It may become low or may it is become high. Okay, now it is may damages our body organs. Otherwise, our body organs are not properly working. Got my point or not? That's why only we are adjusted our body temperature. Yes, either because of sunny days or because of these cold days, our body temperature we have to maintain as a 98.4 degree centigrade. We are located at winter session. We are selected the winter session in the sun, and at the same time we are selected the sunny session in the cold place. Then the environment. Whatever the environment temperature, wherever the temperature around us, it is a contain as a 98.4 degree centigrade, otherwise the 37 degrees centigrade Celsius or 98 degrees of Fahrenheit. Okay, now we have to every time we are searching for these two temperatures about our environment. Either may it is a sunny day or maybe it is a winter day. Okay, clear or not all the students? I hope you understood these 2 points. General concept is these two. Anyone have any doubt in this? Why we are selected the hot conditions for the winter? Why? Because environment temperature may become lower than our body temperature. That's why our body may lose somewhat temperature. It is a transfer to the environment. Clear or not all of you? In winter, our body is only produce the temperature to the environment. Okay, now, and as well as in a summer, our body may absorb some temperature from the where. Okay, now, there is a why? Because our surrounding things are become hot. The air is become hot. Okay, because of that only the temperature is a come from that hot air position to our body cold na. Okay, suppose in a summer session there is a 40 degrees in a May, the 40 degrees, the temperature may be 40 degrees. At that time what is going on? Our body is required how much only? 37 degrees only. Environment is a contain how much? 40 degrees. Automatically the temperature moves from this 40 degrees to the 37 or not? That's why only. Yes, when there is a, at that time automatically, yes, there is a, it is a 40 degrees body is there surrounding of us. It will be transfer the temperature to it. Yes, from where? From 40 to the 37. Yes, when it is a 37, it is a more than 98.4 degree. It is a greater than the 98.4 degree. Yes, that time what will we get? Favor may get for us. Got it or not? Yes, and opposite to the yes, winter. That what same situation you take at winter. Here there is a around our body temperature is how much? 37 degrees centigrade only. Okay, now environment, whatever the environment contain around our body, it is a contain only just somewhat 20 degrees centigrade. Yes, automatically our body is a become hot body compared with our environment or not. At that time our body try to lose its temperature. Automatically it is a become less than the 98.4 degrees centigrade our body temperature at that time. Yes, because of that we are may take help of sunny sun temperature, otherwise may be taken here somewhat acrylic cloths. Okay, clear or not all of you? Yes, otherwise you may take a wool cloths. Okay, now yes, like that we have to select for our whatever the temperatures balancing purpose. Clear or not all of you? What you have what we understood from this one? Every time for our healthy purpose, our body organs, whatever the body organs are, yes, working as usually. For this purpose we compulsory maintain our body temperature is equal to 98.4 degree Fahrenheit, otherwise the 37 degrees Celsius temperature. Okay, now may it is a greater or may it is a lower, then this temperature our body is not in a balanced condition, our body is not contained in our normal condition, our health is may not it is a contain normal condition. For this purpose only in a summer or in rainy, okay, we selected different shelters. Okay, or different we selected different class to wear. Okay, clear or not all the students? Yeah. Now there is a come to the next answers. Yeah, there is a next answer is about that is sixth answer. Sixth answer. What is the sixth answer we have taken here? Srikanth takes a sip of a cold drink and feels the chilly. feel the chill. Okay, guess what its temperature is. Try to measure. Okay, clear or not all of you? Yes, when you take a cold drink, automatically our body is feel somewhat chill. Okay, yes, its temperature is cold temperature. Simply we guess that temperature is cold temperature, it is less than 98.4 degree, 98.4 degree Fahrenheit, or otherwise less than 37 degrees centigrade. Okay, clear or not all the students? And as well as one more question may framed based on this also. Yes, Srikanth take a sip of a hot drink like a coffee or tea and he feels the heart. Guess the what its temperature is. Try to measure it. Understood my question or not? So same question in opposite manner once you take here. Okay, you take a tea or a milk. Which milk? Hot milk. Okay, na? Or otherwise tea. You know very well, tea commonly it will be as hot only. May it is a contain how much temperature? Yes, it is a greater than the 98.4 Fahrenheit or greater than the 37 degrees centigrade. Okay, that's why only there it is, it will be looks like a hot. Okay, now, yes, and that is only we are taken here. Next one, seventh one. Yes, seventh one we have to take here. So many times I am reminding you, don't ask any homework till I am provide for you. Yes. Don't write like that message regularly. Some stupidity it is. Some students are may write the time. Some students are may write a homework, sir. We provide it now. Wait for it some time. Why? Because of that much of hurry. Yes. Now there is we have the time. Yeah. Already time completed. Sorry. Time completed now. Yeah. Yeah, you write this all the question answers from 1 to 7 now. 1 to 7 today in the page number 51. 1 to 7. Okay, here what we have taken here, the seventh one. Jyoti was prepared to measure the temperature of hot water which with a clinical thermometer. It is a right or wrong? Why? Yeah, there it is a not a correct. Yes, it is not a correct. Seventh answer, it is a wrong method. Why? Because clinical thermometer, it not measure the temperature of water when we had heat. Clear or not all of you? In a textbook, there is we have in Improve Your Learning, 6 to 7 questions are there. It is in a 51, page number 51. Spandana, every day you are asking ask for me homework. Okay, na? Yes, you not get the homework in your WhatsApp group. May it is a regularly we provided, na? Yeah, there is a what will be considered. There is a seventh answer is a nothing but it is a wrong actually. Yes, wrong method. Why? Because we use a laboratory thermometer is better for it. Why? Because our clinical thermometer contain the temperature measuring range from the 95 Fahrenheit to the 108 Fahrenheit, or may it is a contain 35 degrees centigrade to the maybe it is a contain of 42 degrees centigrade only. That's why it is not possible to measure the water temperature. The water temperature may started from at a melting position from 0 degrees to the 100 degrees centigrade. That's why it is not possible to measure the water every moment water temperature during its heat. Got it or not? Yes. And this is only about our whatever our concept of our measurement of heat and measurements up to 7th answer. Tomorrow we are going to discuss the remaining question answers. Okay, thank you students. Bye, take care, and write question answers compulsory in your homework only. You have to write it is in a homework. Whatever the regularly homework is given by our head office people, that you have to write up to ending of our lesson. When we start our improve your learnings, you write it is in a homework notes. and before that whatever we are write it should be write it is in a class work only. Okay, clear or not all of you students? You write it, this should be it in a homework notes. Okay, up to keywords you write it is in a class work notes. Okay, thank you students, bye, take care.